In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of Roblox asset creation failed. Please try again later. Whether you're an avid game creator or just getting started, encountering this problem can be frustrating. But don't worry, we're here to sort it out together. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, it's essential to ensure that your internet connection is stable. The simplest things are sometimes the key to solving a problem. Try resetting your router or switching to another network to eliminate the possibility of a connectivity issue. Once you've confirmed your connection is secure, restart Roblox and attempt to create your asset again. If the issue persists, the next practical step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser's cache can become overloaded with data, which may interfere with your experience on Roblox. To clear your cache, head over to your browser's settings. Find the option for clearing browsing data, usually located under the Privacy or History section, and be sure to select the Cached Images and Files option before clearing. After clearing your cache, it's a good idea to check if there are any updates available for Roblox. Developers constantly work on improving performance and security, so updating to the latest version might resolve unforeseen issues. Open your Roblox player application and look for any update notices. If an update is available, download and install it. Let's not forget the importance of checking the status of the Roblox servers. Occasionally, server maintenance or unplanned outages can cause issues with asset creation. Visit the Roblox server status page or check their Twitter account for any announcements regarding server issues. If the servers are down, it's likely nothing to do with your setup, and all you need to do is wait patiently. Assuming the servers are fine, let's consider the possibility of problematic browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with your ability to use Roblox effectively. Try disabling all extensions and then turn them back on one by one to identify the one causing the issue. Remember, only enable extensions that you trust and are necessary for your usual browsing activities. Moving on, another solution involves checking if there are firewall or antivirus settings that might be blocking Roblox. Firewalls and antivirus software are designed to protect your system but can sometimes be overly restrictive. Navigate to your firewall or antivirus settings and add an exception or allow Roblox through. Finally, if all else fails, try accessing Roblox from a different device. This step helps identify if your initial device might be having a unique issue. If you find that asset creation works perfectly on another device, you may need to consider reconfiguring your original device or seeking additional technical support. That's all for today's tutorial on fixing the Roblox asset creation failed issue. Thank you for joining me, and I hope these steps help you get back to your game development without a hitch. Until next time, happy creating!